Volkswagen Caddy Maxi has established itself as a smart alternative in the growing segment for wheelchair taxis. The vehicle's basic design is ideally suited to allow it to be modified as a multi-purpose vehicle that can be used as a regular taxi, a large taxi, and now even as a wheelchair taxi. Industry experts say that in Sweden alone, within 4 to 5 years, 1 in every 10 taxis could be a multi-purpose vehicle of a type similar to the Volkswagen Caddy Maxi. But for this to be a reality, several different product features must be considerably improved. The solution is close at hand, and it's called BeFree. BeFree is a protected trademark, and the product is based on a unique patented design. The unique technical solution replaces the original rear axle, equipped with conventional leaf springs with independent rear wheel suspension. In addition, the solution includes a full-air pneumatic suspension system with electronic self-leveling. The total solution has been developed and adapted exclusively for the Volkswagen Caddy Maxi and is approved by Volkswagen Germany under a letter of no objection. We would now like to give you a brief presentation showing many of the unique advantages of BeFree, the next generation of wheelchair taxis. The unique technical solution offers direct advantages in the form of significantly better ride comfort for wheelchair passengers and drivers, uniform comfort and road handling regardless of load, electrical raising and lowering, as well as self-leveling. Indirect advantages in the form of extremely low clearance between the floor level of the wheelchair bay and ground level, a high and wide opening that facilitates boarding and deboarding for wheelchair passengers, generous floor space and a floor lowering device in stainless steel, spacious wheelchair bay with plenty of headroom, the shortest, most easily maneuvered ramp of its kind on the market, low ramp angle, increased safety in the event of a rear-on collision. The design has been developed in collaboration with Luleå University of Technology, and over the years, many tests and simulations have been performed using Adams Car Dynamics software. Extensive testing has also been conducted to achieve optimal ride comfort for drivers and passengers. The vehicle's full-air pneumatic system and independent wheel suspension provides superior comfort for drivers and passengers. The automatic self-leveling function always maintains a constant ride height of the vehicle above the road, regardless of load. Self-leveling is achieved with the aid of compressed air, which is injected into or released from the suspension system according to the actual load. With this technical solution, the risk of oversteering or understeering is eliminated, and the vehicle can be driven with greater safety for the driver, passengers, and other motorists. With its wide 142 cm opening, BeFree gives an open and welcoming impression at first glance and allows an electric wheelchair to roll in unimpeded. One of BeFree's brand promises is that we guarantee the market's lowest floor-to-ground clearance. The distance from ground level to the vehicle floor surface is a mere 110 millimeters. A low floor also means easier and safer boarding and deboarding. And, since it requires less physical effort on the part of the driver, it also reduces the risk of musculoskeletal injury. Since the original rear axle has been replaced by independent wheel suspension, the total overall area of the floor of the wheelchair bay remains absolutely level. This means that passengers experience a greater sense of safety and security throughout the journey, and that boarding and deboarding are considerably easier. The entire floor-lowering device is made of stainless steel, which ensures longer working life. BeFree is equipped with the market's shortest ramp, Compared to similar vehicles, BeFree's ramp is only half as long. And the fact that it is made of aluminium makes the ramp easier to handle, since the weight is concentrated over a small area. Taxi drivers will appreciate this, since in many cases they have to raise and lower the ramp as many as 35 times during the course of a normal shift. Thanks to the short ramp and the low ramp angle, passengers who sit, for example, in an electric wheelchair state that they experience less dizziness when rolling backwards out of the vehicle as compared to the same procedure in a vehicle equipped with a longer ramp. Unassisted wheelchair passengers will experience the BeFree feeling when they are able to roll into the vehicle on their own. Owing to the extremely short ramp, the risk of head injury to wheelchair passengers in the event of a rear-on collision is minimised. Even a child is exposed to no risk of head injury due to impact from the ramp in the event of a rear-on collision. The ramp does not obscure rear-view vision, so overall safety is improved for drivers and passengers. BeFree is not only a product name, it's a feeling that can be experienced by every wheelchair passenger. A feeling that grows as one becomes acquainted with all of the vehicle's unique features. Collectively, all of these product features contribute to a genuine feeling of outstanding comfort, safety improvement, and high quality, as well as accessibility that is unsurpassed in the industry. With the brand name BeFree, you can be assured of all of these advantages. And for the same reason, we have been asked in autumn 2011 to join the Swedish Organisation for People with Mobility Impairments, DHRS, in taking the initiative towards the establishment of a European standard for this vehicle type. According to DHRS, there are many similar vehicles, but only one that meets their demanding requirement specifications. That vehicle is none other than BeFree.